Okay, Charlie. Charlie likes his new perch. Got his treats. Is that good? They're yummy. They're yummy. Oh my goodness, is they yummy? You just throw them all around. That's okay. We just cleaned it. We'll clean it again, darling. Don't you worry. You got your treat out? When can we let you out? We don't even know. Here, baby. Another one. Good boy. Num num nummy. Nummy nummy num num. Num num noo. Not very good videoing because I'm doing it with one hand. Here. Get another one. Desmond, you dropped it. I think you're doing it on purpose, dude. How? Totally. Look at you. I know you're doing it on purpose. Look at him. That's right.